So today's video will be about scenes from Situationship, and it's directed and written by Vaibhav Munjal, a founder and host of Church Talks. We both seeing him from last 2 years, how he grow from like we are also as an audience part of his and their team's growth. So yeah, first of all, the film is very personal. I feel he made with some personal experiences and taste I can see in his film. Like Vaibhav Munjal, the kind of energy he bring while he's making YouTube video. So I can see in this film also the same energy like flowing through the frames, how he directed the film. So yeah, that's the basic thing I noticed. Apart from that, we will be deep dive into more things which we love.
ओवरऑल मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आई, काफ़ी अच्छी लगी दोनों कैरेक्टर, उदित और तनीषा दोनों काफ़ी अच्छे लगे मुझे। सिनेमेटोग्राफी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है। थोड़ा यार एक अजीब सी फीलिंग होती है वो रही देखने में, और थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाता है चीज़ों का कि हाँ कि अब चीज़ें कैसे काम करती हैं।
में दिखाया गया है कि जब इंडिविजुअलिटी और रिलेशनशिप में एक कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट होता है उन दोनों चीज़ों का, तो उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बहुत अलग होते हैं। बिफोर दैट वैसा नहीं होता था, बिकॉज शेयर्ड वर्ल्ड व्यू इज वेरी स्मॉल, आई कैन से। राइट नाउ इट्स वेरी बिग, पीपल कैन डिजायर मोर, पीपल कैन एस्पायर मोर, पीपल कैन लव मोर, पीपल आर फाइंडिंग एवरीथिंग बेटर इन एवरीथिंग। सो दैट हैज ऑल्सो इट्स ओन कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आई फील। पूरा टेक जो है मॉडर्न रिलेशनशिप, डेटिंग, लव, ट्रस्ट, इनसिक्योरिटी, इन सब चीज़ों को बहुत ही ह्यूमर के साथ और बहुत ही अच्छे राइटिंग और डायलॉग्स और जो अच्छे कॉन्वर्सेशंस है उनसे दिखाया गया है। यू कैन सी इट, इट्स वेरी पर्सनल। आई फील लाइक आई लिव थ्रू द कैरेक्टर्स while watching the film. That's the very interesting thing. If film make you live with the characters and you can delve yourself into the film, that's the interesting feeling I ever got after a long time while watching the film, which is based on some romance genre. While I watched lot of interview of Vaibhav like with other guests, like recent one I watched with the Anurag Kashyap वाला interview, so वो बात कर रहे थे I like more films which is based on falling out of love than the falling in love.
और सर मेरे को तो फॉलिंग इन लव से ज़्यादा फॉलिंग आउट ऑफ लव वाली पिक्चरें पसंद है कि सब लड़ाइयाँ चालू और ये पूरा मैरिज स्टोरी, ब्लू वैलेंटाइन, क्रेमर वर्सेस क्रेमर, दिस इज
because it's interesting thing to watch why people falling out of love. So that's the reason I might guess that's why he made a film which is based on situationship, and it's quite true for the modern society right now we are living in. They are not a traditional actors, I would say. They are the characters, they are the human beings. They drop their own arc in the film while they are performing. So acting is top notch, writing is very good. So I thought the character has improvised a lot in the while shooting the film, and lot of scenes you would say it's one take, it just still camera and just character let it do the thing. This kind of filmmaking I quite like. So I like slow burn films. It's not typically slow burn, but it's a very interesting film. But the kind of cinematography is very slow burn, I would say, and I quite like that. There's the one sequence you can see, and while Tanisha discuss one topic, love and trust, and it's very interesting to see like how Vaibhav takes on love and trust. That's the one scene I like quite more, because my whole point of view, love and trust is very similar what is shown in the film. So Tanisha is that kind of person, aspire more, she desire more than the Udit. That's the core difference between those personality. And Udit is very happy with what he like right now, and he's not aspiring at bigger like dreams, desires. He's not looking for something better. He just want little of love. Like it doesn't matter how the person is. Like it matters in the start, but after a while you can see Udit is like completely like he can't trust the Tanisha, but he can love the Tanisha. So these conflicts should not be there in any relationship. Trust and love should be there at the same time.
ऐसे मूवी है सिचुएशनशिप के बारे में, वो एक रिलेशनशिप के बारे में नहीं है, वो एक सिचुएशनशिप के बारे में, उसी के ऊपर है कि एक सिचुएशनशिप में क्या क्या होता है। चीजें तब बिगड़ जाती हैं जब एक इंसान और कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हो और दूसरा इंसान और कुछ। जैसे उदित कैरेक्टर है वो ये चीजें एक्सपेक्ट ज्यादा करता है, वो इस सिचुएशनशिप से रिलेशनशिप एक्सपेक्ट करता है, और तनीषा है वो थोड़ी अलग उसका मिजाज है वहाँ पर।
I'm dealing with the fact that this will never be a relationship.
If you got a chance to meet Vaibhav, what you will ask to him?
I wanted to ask what are the things in your life you feel alive for. Like, he is the person who inspires me a lot. Like, there are a lot more person, but he is the one of them, I would say. I also wanted to ask him one more question. What inspires you every day to make a content? You can't make it if you don't love it. So what makes you inspire so you can make some great content? And it's not about great content, it's a content which you love first, then audience might love it later. So I would ask him that question also.
Good one.
Hi Vaibhav, it's pleasure to review your film, and I hope you make some other film. I am like very curious about what you'll make next, and I really liked the film. While I completed the first half of the film, I wanted to mail you, but I thought let's see whole film and then I will text you. So thank you for making some great film, and for the audiences, it has some great content, it has some great scenes, it has some like great characters. Like, he took also like a time to make it. The film breathe it in itself. So I would say let's watch that and let him know like what you feel about him and about his like debut feature film. Yeah, so I am Ayush, he is Siddharth, so do watch the movie.